Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access locked folder in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then you should go to Collections. And right here, so you will see this menu, you need to scroll down and at the bottom you'll find Locked. So tap at this line, then click Open with Passcode, write your password or your pattern or your PIN or your Face ID. So for the first time when you open this folder, it will ask you, do you want to backup your locked folder? So definitely for me is turn on backup, but if you don't need this, just click do not backup. It's up to you. So let's turn on it, and right here we have the access to the photos in locked folder. That's it. But if you want to move them from locked folders back, you need to select the photo and then or multiply photos and then click move and move. And again we have it, the photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.